Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video, we will unbox and review the Fab Bag April 2019 edition. It is better this time because we have a choice of sugar product, but as always, I'll keep my review honest. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box has reached me as always. So this is how the pouch looks this time. Definitely looking good and girly. It has this floral pattern on one side and there is a texture brown color block on one side. It has the Fab Bag logo. It's pretty decent and quality wise also it's similar to the usual Fab Bag pouches. And there was one product outside itself. So this is by the brand Organic Harvest. It's a 30-minute makeover facial kit. This is a diamond shine and glow kit. And it is free of parabens, mineral oils and animal ingredients for all skin types, and this one is worth 295 rupees, expires in 6/2020. Here are all the details mentioned on the steps that are there. There are 6 steps from cleansing milk to sunscreen, and everything is written how you should be using these. So that is good. I do use facial kits like these at home for my weekend pamper routines, so I'm definitely happy with this, and since it's organic, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one. It's a good product, I would say. Here are more products, so let's go through them. Now moving to the star product, this time you have a choice of product and they have all different sugar cosmetic products and choice options. I chose this Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. They have this face primer, they have their lip primer, and there are a lot of lipsticks and their eyeshadow quads as well in the choice options. So you can choose any one that you are interested in buying. Since I recently bought a sugar foundation stick, I thought why not give this a try so that both might work well together. So this one is worth $7.99 individually for the 30 ml size, and this itself is more than the bag and it makes it worth. It's a cruelty free product. Here are the ingredients mentioned, and this one I already know is a great primer. This is how the packaging looks like. Pretty sleek and something that you can carry on trips as well. It's quite nice. And that's how the primer is. It's a clear gel primer, as you can see. And I usually like these clear gel primers instead of the Lakme or L'Oreal kind of primers which have a pinkish tint. They somehow don't suit me much. Let me try to blend this. Yeah, it is good. It is good. It makes my skin very silicone-y. And can you see there is a bit of difference in the texture here? It looks smoother where I applied the primer. It's not visible to the eyes, but when I touch it, it's very smooth. So definitely happy with this one. I'm looking forward to trying the sugar lip primer as well, especially after trying this one out. Now moving on, we have a small kind of like a sample size of this Turkish day cream in the watermelon and argan oil variant. This is by the brand Global Beauty Secrets. I have tried this before. I got it in my Fab Bag itself and it's nice. It's quite nourishing, so it's good to have. You can carry it with you for your trips and all, or you can just use it at home as you wish. Definitely something good to receive. Then the next product is this ChronoCare Polystop Hair Leave-On Protection Screen Against Pollution for Hair. Well, ChronoCare as a brand, I love them. I love their products, but their Polystop range I somehow haven't been able to use much. I have their Polystop face mist and this hair mist, and I usually don't use them. I don't know why. Maybe it's just an unnecessary step in my opinion. But if you're someone who really takes care of hair very well, then this is a useful product, and the brand is good. The product quality is good. As you can see, it is free of sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone. It has all these claims that it will protect, nourish and strengthen your hair. So definitely a good product, but somehow earlier when I got this, I have it still. I hardly have used it a couple of times. Do let me know guys if you have received this and have you been using it and did it actually improve your hair. So let me know if I should actually start using this more often. Then the last product is a makeup product and it's by the brand Inara Cosmo Beauty. It's a nail polish 11 ml size. And here are the ingredients mentioned. It may contain is also mentioned. It's a vegan product and this is a 15 free formula, guys. So it is free of all of these things. So definitely it's good for your nails. And this is the shade everybody is gonna get. It's a beautiful blood red shade. I really like it. You guys know I love reds and something that will suit everybody. Looks very pretty. I'm definitely gonna use it. I have a lot of red nail paints, but I use them very frequently, so I'm definitely happy with this one. Now apart from all this, we have a card from Organic Harvest and it has a coupon code for 15% off, so you can use that if you would like to buy more from their range. Then as always, we have this in my Fab Bag contest, and this time we are winning a City Color Be Matte lipstick in the shade Lola. It's a beautiful red shade. I actually have this one. And finally, the info card. The theme this month is the spring thing, and here are the pricing details mentioned. So the sugar product I chose is for 799 rupees, but you can choose other things as well, which are in the range of 500 above at least. And the Inara Cosmo Beauty nail lacquer is for 450 rupees. The facial kit is for 295. Chrono Care Polystop hair mist is for 395, and there is a bonus product. So the bonus product for me is this Turkish cream. I'm definitely happy with this. So they might be sending some sample as a bonus product, and that's how I like it actually. Like this thing, they sent it as a product earlier. I would not appreciate it so much. Getting it as a bonus product is definitely good because it's a sample and that's how it is supposed to be given. So this month the total worth is definitely higher than what you pay, and the sugar product makes it worth buying. So coming to my review, honestly this is worth for me because of the sugar product, because I wanted to have a primer. And if you're looking forward to buying a sugar lipstick or a sugar crayon or even the eyeshadow quartz, then you should definitely go for this Fab Bag, because you'll be getting all of the other products almost free of cost, and you might even get a discount on sugar, which is very rare. But if you don't want any of those sugar products, then it's not so much worth. I actually did like everything because my value is coming from the sugar product. So this I might not use so much. This is just a sample. Nail paint is good in color, but if that would have been the star product, I would not have been happy. And even the facial kit, I will use it, but it's not a star product. So as additional products, they are quite great. I am happy. And if you would like to order this, then definitely go ahead. You have a big thumbs up because sugar product has good quality and all of these are good brands as well. I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you liked today's video, then please do give it a big thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. And you will be getting very honest reviews to all different subscription boxes. So I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.